Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kadir Saeed Afan and I have all these fellows with me in my chemistry project. And the title of my project, as suggested by the Panaflex, is that different densities of liquid. Here in this project, we have taken some large beakers and small beakers. The reason we have chosen this because in like other projects of physics, we have to show the process or elaborate it with the help of some models. But here we will determine the densities of different liquids without any instrument. Just by increasing the densities of different liquids, as the liquid which is more denser, the fluid which is more denser will rest in the bottom, and then accordingly, while decrease in the density, it will raise to the top. So here, we have made some of the models like you can see here. First of all, as you all know that honey, it is a more denser liquid, but instead of honey, we have taken glycerin, which is much more denser than honey. So due to its greater density, it rests in the bottom. Then we have taken some of the sugar syrup. Sugar syrup, we have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar in like 100 ml of water. In 100 ml of water, and then we have poured it into the beaker. So you can see that due to density difference, there is a layer formed between, because according to fluid dynamics, the liquid with different densities, they do not mix into each other. They form a separate layer. That's why you can see a separate layer. If we drop an object into the beaker, the object which matches the density of the liquid, it will rest in that and will not cross the boundary or layer of the liquid. So if I drop a rock or any nut bolt into the beaker, it will go and its density will match with the glycerine and it will rest in the bottom. Now we have also taken milk. And we have also added some calcium chloride in it to increase its density. And then, as you can see, when we added the milk, it didn't mix into the sugar syrup, and its layer has formed. And now we have also liquid soap. We have added liquid soap because it was of foam type, so we added some water into it to decrease its density. And after, you can see some of the layers is dissolved into it, but due to its not proper management, some of the liquid soap is mixed. And then we have vegetable oil. We can also use coconut or mustard oil, and as you can see, its layer is different because when liquid is mixed into oil, they do not mix into each other and they do not allow any object to cross the boundary. And then at last, we have alcohol with it, methyl alcohol, and we have added red into it to specify the different liquids. And as you can see that ethanol with red ink in it, it rests into the top of the beaker. That's why different densities, they formed a layer, and if we drop an object, it will not go to the bottom because of density difference.